Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm here with my boy Levi. He's right over there, but here's the deal. We right now are at the Illinois River, and I'm gonna keep this quick because we want to get down there, but it looks like right now there was a lot of rain that recently came in here, and the river is super high. But how high is it? Really high. Alright, it's gonna be more difficult than we thought to snag these Asian carp. That's what we're doing today. They're an invasive species. If you guys don't know that, they're an invasive species to a lot of, lake, riverways and lakes and stuff, and if you catch them, you can't put them back in the water because they're invasive, so you gotta, toss them in the woods. Pretty much just kill the ecosystem. They're terrible. They make fishing for other species worse. So we're putting these fish in the woods because we have to. You are not allowed to put them back. It's illegal to put them back. We tried to go to the store and try to buy some snagging hooks, but they said that because of COVID and stuff, they couldn't get a new shipment in and whatnot. But Levi has some big trebles. We're gonna put some weights on it and we're gonna throw them out there. I'm sure there's still gonna be Asians in there, but when the water's higher, it's gonna be harder to get to the middle where they're at and snag them. But if that doesn't go as planned, we also have little spinners, little map spinners and little other spinners that catch, anything, gar. Last time we were here, we caught like 8 different species. So the possibilities are endless for today. The water being high, it's definitely a different element out there. I'm gonna switch you guys to the chesty. We're gonna walk on down, but I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video, and thank you guys so much for 10,400 subscribers. You guys are the best. You guys are killing it right now with all the support. And without any further ado, we're gonna go down there, try to catch some fish, try to snag some fish. Let's have a hell of a day. Let's do it. Here's the journey to get down. Oh, water is super high. Guys, usually that whole shoreline's exposed to us, and we go down there and start snagging them. But wow, this will be different today. This will be interesting. The bucket hat on, guys. You know how we doing it. We doing it big. We're gonna rig up some trebles, and we're trying to snag some fish here. Levi with the second of the day. It's a big boy. He's got a big old snagging hook. His last one he had, so he's getting them. I finally got a bigger hook on here, rigged up and ready to go, so I can cast it farther to where these Asians actually are. So we're gonna set the camera up and see if I can get one of my hook sets on camera for you guys. But that's a big one for Levi there. Yes. Oh, that's a good one, dude. Is this thing recording? This thing on? All right. Yes. All right. We're gonna go in the water without falling. Levi's gonna let me throw his. See if I can get one real quick. But you got a righty rod? Yeah. All right, this will be interesting. If I get one here, it'll be on my opposite hand. Motherfucker. Oh, there's one. I'm on. Oh, let's go. I thought it was snagged at first, man. Oh my gosh. This thing is so powerful, and especially on my opposite hand reeling it in. So weird. Oh, dude, it's just burning. You guys probably can't hear it right now. This thing's burning, man. Yeah, it's such a fun fish to catch. Jeez Louise. When you bump into him, guys, it's like you just hit a rock, and it's just slowly bending. Imagine it's just a huge rock, just bending and pulling that way. Oh my gosh. Whew. That's fun, dude. I casted that one way out there, to the right. Show your face, baby. Oh, that's a smaller one. Actually, that might be average. Get her in. Now, the best part is you throw them in the woods. No. Oh. Is he still on? I owe you a new rod. How much was this? I'll pay you. Are you kidding me?
I don't know how much it was.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Well, I don't know if the big camera even saw that, but that just snapped.
The line snapped too?
Yeah, no, the line totally snapped. Well, I'm so sorry, Levi. Can we get what?
F's in the comment section.
Yeah, can we get F's? Okay, you know what? This is bad. That's a $200 day for me. That sucks. It just broke right in front of me, dude. You feel bad. I just snapped your rod. I didn't catch an Asian yet, but I broke Levi's rod. We're also down $200 and $23 for gas. Okay, so I guess I'll keep casting my spinning one and try to hook into one and not break that one, and then Venmo Levi the necessary funds. So that's a big rip. That's not a good way we want to start today, but. Did you? Yeah. Rattle trap? You're stuck. There's one. I got a fish. Nice. Oh, dude, I might have hooked an Asian. He just took off. Yeah, I'm throwing a spinner. It was right by the bank, dude. could just be a nice fish, but like he just took off, so I felt like,
Oh my God, what is that?
what is it?
It's silver.
Might be a sheephead? Sheephead, yeah, baby. That's a nice one. Dude, it took off right away like an Asian would. Woo! Oh, let's not break the rod. All right, let's not do that. Now, if I do, it's my rod. So I can handle that a little more, but I'm already in the gutter. But we're gonna get up here, baby. Oh yeah, sheephead. Let's go, baby. My first actual fish I landed of the day. Dude, all the way down his mouth. Oh my gosh. Well, I dropped him.
I got a good picture right there.
Did you? Oh, I was throwing a spinner on that one, and it got really far down his throat. He was bleeding, and I think he did take off, but that's after I dropped him on a rock. So, sorry about that, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Spinner? All right, all right. Another sheephead. So you got two already. What is going on? Rock. I got one. I got something. Let's go. What is it? What is it? I don't know. I can't see it yet. I think it's another sheephead. I think. Did not know we were turning this into a sheephead day. They're just stacked over here. But there's a bunch of current right here, and like the current stops, and this little slack water in this area. Levi's got two. This is my second one of the day. Hopefully I can get the big camera out for you guys. Not as big, but nonetheless, a lot of fun. They fight so hard. Let's go. Woo! So I'm gonna swim with her right here. I wanted to, but these ones are just swallowing it, dude. But I ended up getting the hook out, but she's bleeding a little bit. So we're gonna swim with her and then she'll kick off. Oh, she kicks off. There she goes. Levi just hooked something big, which, well, I mean, obviously it's probably an Asian carp, but it's literally spooling him and taking him down the river. Now the chesty wasn't on it because it was dead, like I said, but this thing was just straight spooling Levi, so we picked up the big camera and we're just gonna follow him and see what happens. Still going. Dude, it's still pulling.
Even more. It's almost at the highest setting.
Dude, you have something huge.
It's pulling me to my backing.
You're on your backing right now?
Yeah.
What are you feeling right now?
I don't know. I don't know what to feel.
This dude's got like a drop shot weight, two split shots and a tiny treble. And he's got something huge. It's all the way out there. Oh my gosh.
Tiniest bit of line.
He just spools you completely. I turned the camera off because we were gonna walk. He's all the way down there somewhere.
Wow.
We saw the back of it. That was huge.
That was huge.
Now it could have been like a bigger one. No, it's definitely a bigger one, but you probably had him hooked in the tail. And so if you snag a fish in the tail, that's even more power and downstream. You literally had everything going against you there. It literally took all the, and you had a ton of line on there.
I had a lot.
I saw it at the beginning. I was like, yo, yeah, you're chilling. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. All right, guys, camera's on. And I got one peeling me. I got something that's pulling me all the way down. He's ripping drag. I got a decent amount of line left though. This one actually had a lot of line on it because I do use this setup a lot. What the hell?
It's coming up.
Oh, he's right there.
Oh my gosh.
It's under this. It's under this, but right there. It's the bucket hat, I'm telling you.
There we go.
That right there is the Levi rig. That's why he fought harder, because he was hooked more in the back. Right. Boom. Not a bad fish. That's the fish. My first actual Asian that I had one on earlier, broke Levi's rod. Now we got this one, but thanks for Levi for filming. Not a bad one, and you know what? These fish are invasive, so I'm not gonna show it on camera because it could get flagged or something, but I'm gonna put them in the woods because you're not supposed to put them back. But if you guys can target these, they are fun. And she's ready to go into the woods. All right, guys. Some guy just came down here and said the police department is here. He wants to talk to us, so might get fined or something. But we'll see. We're gonna walk up now. Good, how are you?
Yeah, just go fishing down here.
Not down here?
Not from the dam all the way down to the fuel power plant. You guys can go down. There's a place called First Stop Sign. Go through it. You're gonna get just past to be the water treatment plant. You know what? Follow me there. I'll get you guys back to an area where you can fish.
All right,
okay?
thank you. We're sorry about that.
No problem.
Said they shut down fishing here last year.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so we were doing it last year, you know, and it was like fine. But he said, yeah, from here on down to the power plant, the cop is so nice.
He's literally taking us to another spot right now.
I was like, oh, we about to get ticketed. Yeah, he's taking us to a spot right now. I was like, we about to get ticketed out here. And he was like, hey, you know, no fishing here. He's like, I'll bring you to a spot where you can fish. His fucking poles are in my face. I mean, this guy's very nice. This cop's very nice. You know, be respectful to cops, so be respectful to you. And he's gonna take us to a new spot. We might fish it for a little bit. We were planning on getting out of here anyways kind of soon. But as if the day couldn't get any worse, we get the cops called.
Yeah.
I mean, it was only bound to happen. But I guess a good thing is we didn't get ticketed.
Yeah, no.
He's being nice. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And what a day it was. Now, we didn't catch a lot of fish, and we ended up getting kicked out by the cops. I'm breaking Levi's rod, which I'm about to pay him right here. I got 120 bucks. I gotta pay him. Here he comes right now. Nice.
Hold on. To do with this.
So, yeah, it was just hectic, man. And I was saying, it was like a blessing in disguise to have that cop come and kick us out, because like we had to go home.
Yeah.
The day we were having, at the rate things were going, we were gonna drown or something. Something bad was gonna happen. We were losing bait left and right, breaking rods. We were getting spooled. I lost all my line on one pole. You got spooled on your one, and you're almost, and you had to put line on a different one because you lost more line.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, what a day it was. But if you guys did enjoy today's crazy episode, please hit the thumbs up button down below and hit the subscribe button if you're new. And we will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.